Why do you need to install Suzuki Jimny wheel spacers with hub-centric? Suzuki Jimny wheel spacers are common modification for car lovers looking to improve the performance and appearance of their vehicle. The Suzuki Jimny wheel spacers are available in two types, one with hub-centric and one without hub-centric. We recommend installing the wheel spacer with hub-centric. The Suzuki Jimny wheel spacers can change the wheel offset and back spacing when you add some larger components or by another set of aftermarket wheels. Installing the hub-centric Suzuki Jimny wheel spacers can provide high stability. Bonus Suzuki Jimny wheel spacers have a multi-stage hub-centric design. This design allows the spacer to be more fit on the wheel hub assembly and wheels, thereby reducing high-speed vehicle vibration. Compared with Common, the multi-stage hub-centric design of BONOSS makes the installation more thinking and safer. And the BONOSS Suzuki Jimny wheel spacers can also be readapted with different data, providing the owners with more choice. Hub-centric spacers make sure there is constant contact between the hub, spacer, and wheel. When the spacer fits on the hub, it handles more weight and strength than if it fits on the lug only. This is why this type of spacers is usually more expensive than a hub-centric, because the center hole of the spacer is specific to a certain model of the vehicle. The design of the bloxsport actively Suzuki Jimny wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation boosts to make brake cooling better. Distribute and pedal shape. These boosts allow the external cold air to flow completely inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches. They are distributed on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat discharge effect and improving safety. So if you're considering installing the Suzuki Jimny wheel spacers, remember to choose the ones with hub-centric.